So today you are going to read about the rat trap. So first we will discuss about the rat trap and then we will talk about the story. So rat trap is a machine that traps rat by attracting. So the attraction that is put up in the bait in the rat trap, that is called a bait. Bait means attraction. अट्रैक्शन होता है जिससे रैट्स को अट्रैक्ट किया और जैसे वो उसकी तरफ आया, टच किया, एज ही टचेस द रैट ट्रैप इज क्लोज्ड एंड द रैट इज एंट्रैप्ड और चूहा उसमें पकड़ा गया, जाल में बंद हो गया. द सेम फंक्शनिंग इज ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड. दिस वर्ल्ड इज जस्ट लाइक ए बिग रैट ट्रैप. एंड व्हाट आर द अट्रैक्शंस? What are the different attractions? In our Shastra we say, Moho, Maya. These are what? These are traps. If you are caught in Moho or Maya, maybe worldly things, physical things, आप कोई भी संसारिक चीजों को अगर ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस देना शुरू कर देंगे, definitely that will convert as a trap. And you will be caught because you are attracted toward the trap. आप उसकी तरफ आकर्षित हो रहे हो, वो बंद हो जाएगा और उसका परिणाम क्या होगा? You will be lost in the world. If you are doing your duties properly, if you are thinking about others, in that case, you can save yourself by just being caught in that rat trap. So this story is written by Selma Lagerlöf. Selma Lagerlöf is a Swedish writer. She is a Swedish writer from Sweden, and you can see the description of the author. This is Selma Lagerlöf. She was born in 20th November 1858 and she died in 16th March 1940. She was from Sweden. I think you have heard that name, Sweden. And she was a teacher, and her stories were published in after translated into different languages. Means काफी famous writer है. Her father was a serviceman and she was trained as a teacher. She worked as a teacher. But after some time, she decided to begin his career as a writer. And that's why she left the job of teaching and started writing. In 1895, she moved to Holland, where she began supporting herself solely on her writing, and she published her first novel, Gösta Berling's Saga, at the age of 33. She was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. So you are reading a story that is written by the first woman who won Nobel Prize for Literature. पहली महिला है वो जिसने नोबेल प्राइज लिटरेचर में जीता था किसी भी कंट्री से. She was the first Nobel Prize winner in women, and which she was awarded in 1909. Additionally, she was the first woman to be granted a membership in the Swedish Academy in 1914. So this is all about Selma Lagerlöf. She was not an ordinary writer, you can say. She is a very famous one, the first Nobel Prize woman and the first women to be granted a membership in the Swedish Academy. So this is all about the writer Selma Lagerlöf. And now we are doing the introduction to the chapter. As you see in the picture, this story is set in the middle of mines. Mines तो मालूम होगा सभी को. Mines are where maybe iron ore or maybe different type of ores we just get from nature. धरती से हमें काफी चीजें मिलती है, मिनरल्स मिलते हैं, मेटल्स मिलते हैं. सो उन मेटल्स को, मिनरल्स को निकालने के लिए जो माइंस होती हैं, दीज माइंस, सो दिस इज अबाउट द माइंस ऑफ स्वीडन. एंड स्वीडन इज रिच इन आयरन ओर. लोहे की माइंस वहां पे ज्यादा है, आयरन ओर निकलते हैं वहां पे, आयस. So the story is narrated in the manner of a fairy tale. Fairy tale you know very well. Fairy tale means some magical happens to a person who is very downtrodden, you can say. The person is very poor, you can say. The person is very in miserable condition, and some person comes to his life and the person suddenly transforms. जैसे परियों की कहानी में होता है ना, फेरी टेल. फेरी टेल मीन्स परियों की कहानी. सो परियों की कहानी में क्या होता है, कोई गरीब होता है, कोई लाचार होता है, कोई परी आती है, जैसे वो अपना छड़ी से जादू किया, and the scene is changed. The same thing is the story is just like a fairy tale. It gives us the message that emotions of love and acceptance can reform others.
Sir.
Yes. बोलिए.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
सर फेरी टेल का मतलब क्या है?
फेरी टेल, फेरी क्या
फेरी टेल का मतलब?
टेल मीन्स स्टोरी एंड फेरी मीन्स रिलेटेड टू फेरीज. फेरी होती परियां. परी तो सुना होगा वर्ड.
यस सर.
परियों की कथाएं. तो
यस.
सिंड्रेला की कहानी पढ़ी हो तुम लोगों ने, कभी सुना हो सिंड्रेला के बारे में? सिंड्रेला एक गरीब लड़की थी और उसके साथ भी एक मैजिकल चीज होता है. उसकी जूती या पैरों में पहनने वाला कुछ मिस हो जाता है, एंड आफ्टर दैट मैजिकल स्पेल यू कैन से, और एक मैजिकल पूरा इंसिडेंट होता है उसके साथ. एंड शी फ्रॉम ए पुअर लेडी शी बिकम्स द प्रिंसेस, तो राजकुमारी बन जाती है. द सेम अप्लाइज हेयर. The rat trap peddler is very poor, you can say, very poor, and no one welcomes him. No one just, you can say, talks to him in a good manner. Everywhere he's discarded. हर जगह उसको discard कर देते हैं, कोई उसको welcome नहीं करता. But due to a person, his life is completely changed. When you end the story, you will find that life of the rat trap peddler is completely changed. और वो बिल्कुल एक छोटी सी घटना है, और घटना की वजह से सारा कुछ चेंज हो गया. सो दैट्स व्हाई द स्टोरी इज कॉल्ड जस्ट लाइक इन द मैनर ऑफ फेरी टेल. एंड दिस स्टोरी डील्स विद अ मैसेज. इफ यू आर शोइंग लव एंड एक्सेप्टेंस, इट कैन रिफॉर्म इवन ए क्रिमिनल. आई थिंक all of you know this thing very well, and I believe this thing very well, and that is no one is born criminal. ये सेम कहानी आपकी हम एक चैप्टर में और यूज करेंगे. नो वन इज बोर्न क्रिमिनल. अपराधी कोई पैदा नहीं होता है. Why some person becomes a criminal, and that is because of the conditions. हालात ही होते हैं जो उसको मजबूर करते हैं. The conditions, they just make him a criminal, but the conditions, they can make a person a normal being. No one is, you can say, having a kind of desire that is to become a criminal. कोई आप में से कोई बोले कि हाँ सर, yes I want to be a criminal, मुझे भी अपराधी बनना है. No. You wants to be a doctor, you wants to be engineer, you wants to be a famous person, you wants to be on some government post. But the point is, how many of you just try to think that you wants to be a criminal? How many of you think like this? कितने लोग सोचते हैं कि क्रिमिनल बनना है मुझे? Yes.
No one, कोई भी नहीं सोचता सर.
So no one wants to be a criminal.
कोई नहीं सोचता.
अच्छा, no one wants to be a criminal. The point is the conditions. If you are born in a rich family, the conditions will be something different. If you are born in a very poor family, the conditions will be something different. अलग अलग हालात होते हैं. This person is homeless, बेघर है. He doesn't have any home. He doesn't have any relations. कोई रिलेशन में नहीं है, कोई उसका अनाथ लोग होते हैं, ऑर्फन्स होते हैं. So he is an orphan and अनाथ है, and that's why he is not having any family member, and he just roams here and there. इधर उधर घूमता है. And because he is poor, the condition is very pathetic, and that's why the people, wherever he went, they just discard him. So this is the story about the rat trap peddler. So I'm reading this. The rat trap peddler is a poor man, and he robs the same who gives him shelter and food. Okay, just tell me one thing. आप में से ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जिसका किसी ने किसी की मदद किया? Someone helped you and you just robbed him, cheated him. Can you think about a person? He is helped by someone. किसी ने उसका मदद किया. At the same time, उस बंदे ने क्या किया? Gratitude दिखाने की बजाय, instead of showing gratitude, he just robbed him. I think no one. If someone is helping you, you just try to repay. आप कोशिश करते हैं उसको repay करने की. But the rat trap peddler is getting shelter. उसको रहने के लिए जगह मिलती है एक रात के लिए, and food मिलता है. But he robbed the person. वो उसी बंदे को लूट लेता है. So we are talking about this person who is criminal minded, you can say. एक तो होता है criminal, एक होता है criminal minded. What is the difference between these two? Criminal and criminal minded. Yes. Difference between criminal and criminal minded. Anyone? Yes. Anyone? बताओ बच्चा, कोई भी बताओ.
सर मे बी क्रिमिनल वो होता है जो मतलब क्राइम कर दे, उस चीज को कर ही दे, और क्रिमिनल माइंडेड जिस मतलब उसके पास थॉट्स हो कि ऐसे ऐसे कर सकते हैं, मतलब मास्टरमाइंड.
Okay, I will tell you this thing. Criminal can be okay. बोलो बेटा, अनमोल बोलो. Yes.
सर जैसे पुलिस क्रिमिनल माइंडेड उसकी तरह सोच के फिर उसको पकड़ पाती है.
No, I am talking about the criminals only, but the point is one is criminal, other one is criminal minded. Difference मैं बताता हूँ आपको क्या है. A simple person may be an honest person, may be a family loving person, may be rule following person. Because of conditions, he can be a criminal. हालात कुछ ऐसे हो गए and you become criminal. You never try to be a criminal, but you just become a criminal because of circumstances. हालात वश जो बन गया, that person is called criminal. And what do you mean by criminal minded? A person who thinks ill of others. Every time he is planning doing harm to others. That person is called criminal minded. Criminal तो वो हो गया जिसने अपराधी बन गया, किसी वजह से बना हो, भूख की वजह से बना हो, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की वजह से बना हो, पॉवर्टी की वजह से बना हो. Different reasons may be there. But criminal minded means this kind of person, these people are very harmful to the society. Remember this thing. अपराधी से घृणा नहीं करनी चाहिए, अपराध से करनी चाहिए. Hate crimes, not criminal. But the people who are criminal minded, these people are very, very harmful, dangerous to the society. खतरनाक होते हैं बड़े लोग, क्योंकि इनके दिमाग में यही चलता रहता है, how to do this and that crime. They are just planning, every time they are just planning to do crime. So this person is a criminal minded. Criminal है but criminal minded है. अब बताओ ना, जिसने उसको खाना दिया and shelter दिया and he robbed the same person. जिस बंदे ने खाना दिया उसी बंदे को लूट लिया उसने. जिस बंदे ने उसको रात बिताने के लिए टाइम जगह दिया and he robbed the same person. So this person, rat trap peddler, you can write a question on that thing. Rat trap peddler के ऊपर लिख सकते हो, काफी material है इसके ऊपर. So this person who robbed the person who gave him shelter and food. So we are talking about this rat trap peddler. But as I said earlier, मैंने शुरू में बोला था, वो क्या था? लव एंड इमोशंस. Love and acceptance. If you understand the feelings of others, if you show love, unconditional love, I am talking about the unconditional love. He is my friend, he is my family members, he is my relative, and that's why I should help him, I should love him. मेरा सगा संबंधी है, पड़ोसी है, that's why मैं उसकी मदद करूंगा. This is called conditional. Unconditional means when you help others, you have feeling, you have pity for others. Instead of maybe the person is unknown to you or known to you. आपका जान पहचान का हो, अनजान हो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. If you are ready to help that person, if you have real love for that person, unknown person, that is called love, unconditional love. So a lady, young girl, Adla, she behaves very compassionately with feeling, unconditional feeling के साथ वो behave करती है, and because of that lady, he changes completely. वो पूरी तरह से बदल जाता है. So this story gives a message that essential goodness of a man can be awakened through love and understanding. You can make anyone a good person. किसी भी, maybe the criminal-minded person, you can even change that person. But you should show two things: unconditional love, and second thing is understanding. If you show love and understanding to the poor, to the criminals, to the criminal-minded person, even that person can be changed. So this is the main story. आप किसी की मदद करो और वो जानबूझ के, the person is known to me, that's why I'm helping him. No, this cannot change. ये नहीं बदल सकता. You are helping a person and that person is not your known. Even then you are helping. You are understanding the feelings of that person. You are ready to help that person. You are feeling pity for that person. In that case, you can change. So this is about the rat trap peddler. And now I'm telling you the summary. Once there was a tramp. Tramp means a homeless wanderer. Homeless, बिना किसी घर वाला, मतलब जिसका कोई घर नहीं है, ठिकाना नहीं है. Every time जो फुटपाथ पे सोते हैं. So he was a tramp and he made small wire rat traps. You can see in the picture he is making rat traps, and he made these rat traps with the help of wires. And these wires he never purchased. कभी खरीदा नहीं उसने इन wires को. कहीं भी मिल जाते, छोटा मोटा लिया, and he had that art. उसमें वो कला थी. And because of that, he converted that wire into traps. So he used to sell small wire rat traps. But selling rat traps, this was not a profitable business. So he stole to have enough to eat and stay alive. So the point is, if you purchase a rat trap, I think when it is not serviceable, only then you will change that rat trap. भाई rat trap आपने एक बार खरीद लिया, आपके घर में रखा हुआ है, वर्किंग है, फंक्शनल है, so क्या दोबारा और कोई दूसरे मॉडल का डिजाइन का rat trap खरीदेंगे? No. If you have a shoes, a pair of shoes, आपके पास जोड़ी जूते के पड़े, दूसरा डिजाइन मिला, you will purchase. कपड़े हैं, different type of designs you have. The point is, रेड ट्रैप एक ऐसा ट्रैप है, एक ऐसी मशीन है जो आप एक बार ही खरीदते हैं, बार बार नहीं खरीदते हैं. सो इट वाज नॉट ए वेरी प्रॉफिटेबल बिजनेस. सो टू लिव, टू कीप हिज बॉडी एंड सोल टुगेदर, अपनी आत्मा शरीर को बनाए रखना है, टू बी अलाइव. इन दैट केस वो क्या करता था? दूसरा काम, आप सेलिंग ऑफ रेड ट्रैप के अलावा ही यूज्ड टू स्टील, चोरी भी करता था. So he used to steal. One day, when he was just roaming, he was trying to sell his traps. At that time, a thought comes into his mind. एक विचार उसके दिमाग में आता है, that the world was little more than a bait set to draw people to their own destruction. He compared his rat trap, just like the world is just like a big rat trap. You can see in the picture. And these are baits. Normally आपने देखा होगा फंक्शनिंग क्या होता है बेट का. आपने रेट ट्रैप के अंदर कुछ लटका दिया, खाने पीने का सामान रख दिया, रेट उसकी तरफ आएगा, अट्रैक्ट होगा, और जैसे ही वो उस खाने पीने के सामान को छुएगा, जैसे खाने पीने के सामान को छुएगा, क्या होगा? द फंक्शनिंग वर्क्स एंड द ट्रैप क्लोजेस. Rat is inside the trap. The same applies to this world. बिल्कुल सेम इस संसार पे भी लागू होता है. This world is just like a big rat trap, and it offers riches, joys, different type of worldly things. A big car, a big house, money, position, power. These are baits. ये सारे क्या है? लालच है, आकर्षण है सारे ये. These are attractions. अब इनको कमाने के 2 तरीके हैं. You have 2 ways. One is honestly आप मेहनत करो, खूब लेबर करो, and finally achieve these things. और फिर उनको अचीव करो. And the second is shortcut. You want to earn more and more money, and for that thing you do crimes. आप कुछ देंगे या कुछ और काम करेंगे, छोटा मोटा चोरी भी करेंगे. So if you are doing these things, it means you are in a trap. आज नहीं पकड़ेंगे, कल नहीं पकड़ेंगे. One day will come when you will be in trap. So उसके दिमाग में एक आइडिया आया. ऐसे बैठा था, खाली बैठा था, and suddenly he got this idea कि this world is just like a big rat trap. और वो क्यों सोच रहा है ऐसा? देखिए, उसका रीजन था ये. The tramp who had always been ill-treated by the world found great amusement in this thought. Wherever he went, जहां कहीं भी वो गया, no one welcomed him, no one just praised him, no one just showed pity to him. कोई दया नहीं दिखाता, भागो यहाँ से. Everyone discarded him, and this made him, you can say, stone-hearted. पत्थर दिल बना दिया उसको. उसके मन में कोई फीलिंग नहीं बचा. Not about anyone, not a single person. He was alone. तो किसी के बारे में अच्छा नहीं सोचता था. Every time he thinks of ill of others. So एक दिन उसके दिमाग में आया कि this world is just like a big trap, and the people, they are attracted towards the trap because of things, physical things. किसी को पैसे की लालच है, किसी को गाड़ी का लालच है, किसी को घर का लालच है, किसी को किस चीज का लालच है. So different type of attractions we have in our life. So he was thinking about this, and he felt very amused. बड़ा खुश होता कि चलो मैं तो गरीब हूँ, मैं तो कहाँ फंसूंगा. I am it. अगर मुझे कोई पकड़ भी लेगा तो क्या होगा? बढ़िया कुछ खाने को मिल जाएगा, शेल्टर मिल जाएगा, छोड़ देंगे फिर दोबारा. I am alone. I have nothing. But he thought of others. दूसरों के बारे में सोचता, and he got amusement. So one evening, the tramp knocked on the door of a little cottage, hoping for a chance to rest for the night. So the night was chilly, you can say. I am telling you the time. The time was 24th December. 24 December. What about special 25 December?
Christmas Day.
Christmas Day. Just before one day to Christmas Day, 24 December, and you can predict about the weather. कैसा वेदर होता है दिसंबर में? वो भी लास्ट वाला. विंटर. स्वीडन की बात कर रहे हैं. स्वीडन तो यूरोपियन कंट्री हो गया ना, तो वो तो वैसे विंटर वाला तो वैसे मिलेगा, जबरदस्त ठंड मिलेगा. So he was in trouble because the night was very chilly, very cold. रात बड़ी ठंडी थी. So he thought, I should ask for shelter. अब से पहले क्या हुआ है? जब भी कभी उसने बोला, सर, आई एम वेरी हंग्री, आई नीड फूड एंड आई वांट टू स्लीप, मुझे बाहर सोना है, आपके घर के बाहर सो जाऊं, but he never allowed. He was never allowed. कभी कोई माना आपके घर के आगे कोई भिखारी सो जाए, रोज आके सो जाए, क्या करेंगे आप? आपके गेट के आगे पड़ जाए रोज के आगे रात को, what will be your reaction? You will give him food every day. What will you do? You will do only one thing. भगा देंगे उसको, एक दिन रखेंगे, 2 दिन रखेंगे, भगा देंगे. So the person, he was denied every time. So one evening he was in just wandering, घूम रहा था. The night was very cold and he thought of shelter and food. So he knocked on the door of a little cottage out just nearby roadside. सड़क के किनारे एक cottage बना हुआ था and he knocked on. दरवाजा खटखटाया. And a very old person, you can see in the picture, this old person, old crofter. Crofter is a person who works in the field. किसान जो होते हैं ना, जो खेत में काम करते हैं. So he works for Ramasjo Iron Work. Ramasjo Iron Work एक जगह है जहाँ पे वो काम करता था, उनके जो खेत वाली फील्ड. And he worked there as a crofter. And now he is retired. So he opened the door and he found someone in need. And he gave him shelter and food. केवल यहीं तक बात करेंगे आज हम. So the crofter, the second person whom the peddler asked shelter, and he gave him shelter and food. उसको भोजन खाना दे दिया. So what is the feeling, emotions about the person crofter? What do you think about the crofter? Crofter कैसा आदमी है? Yes.
नेचर अच्छा है कि मतलब वो फिर भी कुछ हेल्प.
So he is ready to help. The person is very good. Should I show the next slide? फिर बताना मुझे. Okay, मैं next पे move कर रहा हूँ. The crofter who lived there welcomed the tramp, offering him a hot meal and tobacco. You can see in the picture, they were doing this party. Party कर रहे हैं. The lonely crofter. Lonely crofter. Remember the word lonely. Lonely means a person who is not having any single other person living with him. The person is quite alone. So crofter was very lonely. And one more thing, he did not have any wife. He did not have any sons and daughters. He lived alone there, and that's why he was bored. ऊब गया था वो. He was not happy with his life. He was bored. So the person, the lonely crofter, he welcomed him. अब क्यों वेलकम किया उसने, इसमें चैप्टर में बताया है. He welcomed him only because he wanted to share something with someone whom he can boast of. जिसके सामने वो boast कर सके, शेख ही मार सके. You know the word boast of? Boasting of means to tell someone about you in a very, you can say, exaggerating way. बड़े ही बड़ा चढ़ा के फेंकना, उसको बोलते हैं boasting. So he wanted to boast of, उसको फेंकना था. And the crofter, he is not so rich. आप किसी अमीरी बंदे के सामने पैसे का रौब दिखाएंगे, क्या बोलेगा अमीर? अरे भाई तेरे से ज्यादा पैसे मेरे पास. I have more money than you. You cannot boast about you again, in front of a person who is very rich, you can say, in comparison to you. आपसे ज्यादा अमीर है तो आप उसके सामने boast of नहीं कर सकते. So he wanted to show how he earns, how he lives. वो दिखाना चाह रहा था कि मैं पैसे कैसे कमाता हूँ. That's why he gave him shelter and food. Because the person whom he gave shelter, that person is poor, very poor. If you just look at the clothes are just like shreds. फटे हुए हैं, रैग्स हैं, चिथड़े उड़े हुए हैं उसके, और उस बंदे के सामने वो अब आराम से फेंक सकता है, बोस्ट ऑफ कर सकता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही गेव हिम शेल्टर, दैट्स व्हाई ही गेव हिम फूड. So he offered him food and tobacco. Tobacco you know very well. तंबाकू जिस वो तंबाकू रोल होता है जिसको काट के सिगार, इफ यू नो द हाँ जी शुरू करें. So he offered him hot meal, porridge and tobacco. Porridge means oatmeal, you can say. Oats होता है ना, दलिया टाइप में होता है, that's porridge. He offered him porridge and tobacco roll. He cut tobacco roll sufficient for the cigar, and they were smoking and they were playing cards. यहाँ पे एक गेम आता है जिसका नाम है जॉलिस. M is silent. They played the game Jolly's card game. म्यूट कर लो अपने आप को. म्यूट कर लो एक बार अपने आप को. So he offered him hot meal and tobacco, and they played the card game Jollis. Jollis is a card game. एक कार्ड गेम होता है ये, and this was very famous to time pass, for the time pass. So they played that game, and after playing that game, the crofter comes on the point. काफी सारी बातें किया. जॉलिस एक कार्ड गेम है जो बड़ा फेमस था उस टाइम स्वीडन में. दे प्लेड दैट गेम आल्सो जस्ट लाइक रमी. रमी you know very well, rummy game. So they talk, they eat, and then played games, card game they played. And after that, the crofter confided in the tramp about how he earned money and where he kept it. Now he comes on the point. He tells the peddler that your host is not an ordinary person. भैया तेरा जो मेहमान मेजबान है, that person is not a simple person. I am retired crofter from a mill, iron mill. Iron mill में काम करता था when I was young, but now I am old. That's why I cannot work. So now I am retired and I am having a cow, and that cow gives me enough meal, and I sell that meal to the creamery. Creamery जानते होंगे ना, चिलिंग सेंटर जहाँ पे क्रीम्स निकालते हैं चीज पनीर वगैरह बनाने के लिए. So I sell the milk to the creamery and I get money. And last week I got 30 kronor. Kronor is the currency of Sweden, and it is equal to 7.86 rupees, Indian rupees. एक क्रोनोर कितने का होता है? 7.86 रुपये का. 1 kronor is equal to 7.86 rupees, Indian currency. So he showed him the 30 kronor rupees. उसको दिखाया, देख, look, this is the money. और क्यों दिखाया उसको? The peddler looked at the person. उसको देखा, the person is very old. गाय भी नहीं दिख रही कहीं पर. He just boasting off. उसको यकीन नहीं आ रहा था क्रॉफ्टर की बातों पर. तो क्रॉफ्टर ने उसको दिखाया, just I am showing the money. So you can see in the picture this thing. Is it visible to you all? This thing. In the picture you can see just by the side of window there is a pouch,
Yes,
leather pouch. This leather pouch is he used to carry money. So he went to the window and showed him 30 crore rupees. Look, I earned this money. I earned this money last week after selling the milk of my cow. मेरी गाय का दूध बेचा ना मैंने, और 30 करोड़ मिले मुझे। हैव यू सीन 30 करोड़? उसने पैसा निकाला और उसकी आंखों के सामने ऐसे दिखाया, लुक दिस मनी आई अर्नड आफ्टर सेलिंग दैट मिल्क। अब एक ऐसे भिखारी को जिसने 1 करोड़ नहीं देखा हो, एंड यू आर शोइंग हिम 30 करोड़। बट ही डिड नॉट से एनीथिंग, कुछ नहीं बोलता है वो पेडलर। और नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग ट्रैम्प और क्रॉफ्टर दोनों उठ जाते हैं। The next morning, Tramp and the Crofter they left the house together. Crofter says, "I have to milk my cow. मुझे अपने गाय का दूध निकालना है. That's why I have to leave." और क्रॉफ्टर जब जाएगा, जब घर का मेजबान होस्ट जा रहा है तो मेहमान को जाना ही पड़ेगा। And that's why the Tramp and Crofter they said bye bye to each other and they moved to different directions. अलग अलग दिशा में चले गए वो लोग। But the tramp bid farewell and went his way, only to return half an hour later. आधा घंटा हुआ था, and after that, the tramp was just outside the window. He knew the money where the crofter used to put his money. He knew the place. So tramp उसको तो टाटा बाय बाय करता है. Just after half an hour, आधे घंटे बाद he was again standing in front of the door of that crofter. Crofter is not at home. वो तो घर गाय का दूध निकालने गया है. So he comes there back and he knew where is the money. So क्या किया उसने, देखिए ये किया उसने. He smashed the window pane. You can see in the picture. He knew the money. Where is the money? He knew that point. So he smashed the window pane, कांच तोड़ा, and stole the money. Crofter's money. इसका पैसा इसमें से निकाला and hung it back on the nail. इस खूंटी पर वापस टांग दिया उसने. कील लगा हुआ था, nail, and he hung that nail on that nail. So in this way he robbed him. बाकी हम कल डिस्कस करेंगे. अभी अब मुझे बताइए, the crofter, he showed pity or he showed something other? क्या शो किया उसने? Yes, what he was showing? He showed the real pity towards the tramp, or he was just trying to boast off? देखिए सीधी सी बात है, if you are helping others of your own purpose, you are helping others but you have your own purpose, intention. आप किसी की मदद कर रहे हो लेकिन आपके मन में कुछ और चल रहा है कि मैं उसकी मदद कर रहा हूँ because of this he will help me in future, that's why you are helping that person. So this is called your selfish end. आपका खुद का स्वार्थ है उसमें. और दूसरी मदद कौन सी होती है? When you never expect anything in return, that is the real help. So he helped the tramp. उस peddler का उसने मदद किया. He gave him shelter, he gave him food, and the reason for that thing is he wanted to boast off. शेखी मारना था उसको, बढ़ चढ़ के बोलना था, exaggerative way में बोलना था उसको, and that's why he gave him shelter. So उसका जो शो उसने दया दिखाया, that pity is not real, and that's why it could not impress the tramp. Tramp उससे प्रभावित नहीं हुआ. He was not affected with the pity showed by Crofter. तो उसने क्या किया, मौके का फायदा उठाया and he robbed him. So if you are helping others with your own ends, आप खुद कुछ दिमाग में रखे हुए हैं, I have this work from that person in future, he will help me, that's why I'm helping him. आप उसकी मदद कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो आपके भविष्य में मदद कर सकता है, that's why you are helping him. If you help some person having this feeling, your help is waste. आपकी दया waste है. And the people you are helping, they will not do the real help when you are in need, because you helped them for, आपने उनका मदद किया only thinking that your own selfish ends. और कभी भी किसी को चेंज करना, if you want to change some person, in that case you should show the real pity without any selfish ends. Up to now in the story, the rat trap peddler, he is a criminal minded person, a poor person, or you can say a beggar plus criminal. So he used to beg iron wires and make rat traps out of that iron wires and then sell. And because the business is not profitable, that's why he used to do some petty crimes, maybe some thievery. छोटी मोटी चोरी भी करता था ये. So now, after taking shelter in the house of Crofter, the Crofter has given him shelter, and he gave him shelter plus food. He played with him. He gave him tobacco roll to smoke. Even then, the Crofter robbed him. So on this particular scene, we left yesterday's class. So I am moving. He smashed the window pane and stole the Crofter's money. When in the morning, both got up, and the Crofter has to milk his cow. That's why he went to milk his cow. And the rat trap peddler, he went on his own way. But after some time, just after 30 minutes after, he was again standing in front of the Crofter's house. उसके घर के सामने खड़ा हुआ है, just आधा घंटा हो उसके बाद ही. And the Crofter is not at home, and he did not try to break in. उसने अंदर घुसने की कोशिश नहीं किया. He knew where the money is being kept. So he went to the window, broke the window pane, and he knew where is the leather pouch in which the Crofter used to keep money. So he took out the pouch, took out the money, and went away. So now, up to now, the beggar is quite sure about his, you can say, he is very clever. बड़ा खुश है, चालाक है. I have earned 30 kronor without any putting my labor into it. So now he is very happy, but at the point he gets an idea. If I continued on the main road, definitely after some time Crofter will come back and he will look at the broken window and he will realize, he will check the leather bag, and the leather bag is not having money. पैसा होगा नहीं उसमें. So he could go to the police. पुलिस को भी जा सकता है, कंप्लेन कर सकता है, and the police can search him. And because he is on foot, that's why they can easily catch him. So just to avoid the police or being caught, he smug meaning is self-satisfied, self-assured. Now I have stolen 30 kronor, and with this money I can pass many days. So he was very, very happy with himself, and with his pocket full of money, the tramp decided to walk through the forest to avoid being caught. If I continue on the main highway, definitely I will be caught. पुलिस मुझे पकड़ लेगी, क्योंकि मेन हाईवे पे जाऊंगा तो पता रहेगा लोगों को कि हाँ सर एक बंदा गया था, and he is rat trap seller. So he thought, if I just took the way through the woods, जंगल में चला जाता हूँ. In jungle there is no system. In jungle there is no particular fixed way, and that's why he entered in the jungle. जंगल में घुस गया, forest में घुस गया, only just to avoid being caught. So early in the morning the weather was very okay, and that's why he was not having any kind of problem. कोई समस्या नहीं उसको. But थोड़ी देर बाद ही क्या होता है? His joy, however, was short-lived as he got lost in the forest. So up to 12 or maybe 1 o'clock, he was very happy. But after 1 o'clock, he became nervous because he could not find the way out of the forest. अब उसको जंगल से बाहर निकलना भी, but he is not getting the way. How to just come out of the forest? He was lost in the forest, and the time is passing. And with the passing of time, danger is increasing. and you know very well the dangers of forest. दिन में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होता है, there is no problem in day, but in dark the forest they become very dangerous. काफी खतरनाक हो जाते हैं जंगल. So time is passing, but he could not get the way, and that's why his happiness was short lived. He was lost in the forest. अब जंगल में खो गया. And as he wandered in the forest looking for a way out, he realized that he too had allowed himself to be fooled by bait. Now he thought about his own philosophy. उसकी philosophy क्या थी, मैंने आपको शुरू में बताया था. I told you in the very beginning. This world is just like a big rat trap. ये संसार क्या है, बड़ा चूहा जाल है. And we human beings are encircling around the rat trap, just like rats. जैसे ही आपको लालच हुआ, attraction हुआ, and you do the same thing, and you are caught. You are caught in the web of world. आप जाल में फंस जाते हो. The same thing happened with him now. अगर वो रात को आराम से सोता, सुबह आराम से निकल जाता वहां से, maybe he could get shelter again the next day. But लालच आएगा मन में उसके. He becomes greedy, and that's why he took the money, and that's why to avoid the police, he entered in the forest. And now, after entering the forest, he is lost. He could not get the way. So he just sat down under the tree. एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठ जाता है. And then he realized now he is himself in the trap. वो खुद जंगल में अब जाल में फंस गया. He realized that, and for him the bait is 30 crore. अब इसके लिए वो बेट कौन सा है, लालच कौन सा था इसके लिए, 30 crore. 30 crore चुराया तो उसके मन में ख्याल आया, I can be caught by the police. So to avoid the police, he entered the forest. A forest में enter कर गया. Now he is lost, and the time is passing, and soon evening will come. शाम हो जाएगा, then night हो जाएगा, और night में क्या होगा? The forest will be full of dangers. Prey animals, they will come out. He can die. One more thing, the weather is not okay at this time. मैंने बताया था आपको 24 December की बात चल रही है, and 24 December means very chilly atmosphere. So the environment is very chilly, very cold, and he is not having proper clothes. He was just wearing rags. कपड़े भी उसके फटे फटे हुए हैं. So he thought, I will die. I am sure to die. Darkness fell and the tramp sank to the ground in despair. Now he is very, very despair, hopeless. अब वो बेचारा निराश हो गया, हराश हो गया. I am going to die. अब मैं मरने वाला हूँ. Reason, I became greedy, and because of my greed, I am lost, and now I am going to die. So he just sat under the tree. पेड़ के बिल्कुल पास जाके वो बैठ गया, and just then he heard the sound of hammer stroke. Hammer जानते होंगे ना, हथौड़ा, which is used by the iron smith or maybe blacksmith, used in iron mills. So he heard the sound of hammer stroke from a nearby iron mill. So he became very happy. Suddenly he found the place where he can take shelter for the night. So he stumbled in the direction of the sound. तो जहां से वो आवाज आ रहा था जोर जोर से हथौड़े मारने की, he followed the sound, and within few time he reaches the Ramasjo Iron Works. You can see in the picture, he reached Ramasjo Iron Works, and he enters the iron works. Iron mill, normally जितने भी लोहे के सामान बनते हैं, मे बी फावड़ा हो गया, स्प्लेटर हो गया, या मे बी आपका एक्सिस वगैरह हो गया, जितनी चीजें होती है लोहे से बनने वाली, औजार वगैरह बनते हैं, these are made in iron mills. So काफी साउंड होता है वहां पर. आयरन को बर्न करना, उसको शेप देना, उसको कूटना, these things are very common. So the iron mill is very full of, you can say, different sounds. अलग अलग sounds होते हैं. And one more thing, nearby the iron mill there was a waterfall. एक झरना भी है, तो झरने से आवाज भी पड़ रही है पानी की, and that is creating also a sound. And because of that sound, when he opened the door and entered Ramasjo Ironworks, no one could notice. किसी को ध्यान ही नहीं पड़ा कि किसने दरवाजा खोला, because there were so many noises. काफी सारा शोर शराबा था वहां पर. So he entered without permission. बिना किसी परमिशन के वो अंदर घुस गया. And now he is standing in front of the blacksmith, the master blacksmith. He was doing his work. The blacksmith used to just request. He requested blacksmith, sir, I want to stay here for tonight only. Please allow me to stay. So he nodded a haughty, you can say haughty. Haughty क्या बोलते हैं? घमंड के साथ, with proudy. So he gave him proudy consent. He gave him haughty consent. ठीक है, I allow you. You can stay here. So he nodded his agreement with a casual and indifferent glance at the tramp. और ट्रैम्प ने भी क्या किया? Just near by the forge. ये जो भट्टी होती है, आप देखते, आप पिक्चर में दिख रहा होगा आपको. This is forge, and in this forge, the raw iron ore, these are put in it just to burn, you can say, the outer layer of that iron ore. और उसको बाद में बाहर निकाल के they just put it on anvil और उसके ऊपर हैमर से करते हैं, चोट डालते हैं इसके ऊपर. They just strike this red burnt iron. और जैसे जैसे चोट मारेंगे लेयर्स इसका निकलेगा. And after removing all the layers, the iron becomes solid and of good quality. So forge definitely you will find in iron mill. और इस forge में क्या होगा? काफी सारी आग जली होती है. That's why nearby the forge heat भी काफी अच्छा होगा. And because of that heat, the cold atmosphere cannot hurt the peddler. Peddler को उससे कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचेगा. Now, the turning point of the story. The owner of that iron mill, that was the iron master. And the iron master, name is not given in the story. The iron master was of one strong desire. उसके मन में हमेशा एक एम रहता था, एक मोटो रहता था. I have to produce only good quality iron to the market. Means from my mill, the iron that is produced, that must be of good quality. And if you want to have just good quality in your profession, in that case, you have to inspect time to time. आपको inspect करना पड़ता है. So the iron master, he every day, every night, he inspected, he used to inspect the mill every day. Day में भी आता था, and then every night he used to do inspection. And during that inspection, he just noticed the progress. और वो progress check करता था. How much work is done, how much work is still to complete, and of which quality iron they are producing, they are making, किस तरह का वो लोहा बना रहे हैं, how much labor they are putting. So he just used to inspect all these things. So that night, जब वो red trap peddler उसमें सोया हुआ है, he has taken the shelter. That night, around maybe 9 to 10 o'clock, he just came to the mill. Iron master, he was on his night inspection. So when he was doing inspection of the work, at that time he noticed someone is sitting nearby the forge. जो भट्टी था, उस भट्टी के चारों तरफ आग का भी ज्यादा होता है. So वहां पर एक बंदा लेटा हुआ है. That person is red trap peddler because he is not wearing proper clothes. So he needs warmth. उसको चाहिए गर्मी. So he was sleeping just nearby the forge. So he went nearby the person. The iron master is not like that of the, you can say, the blacksmith. लोहार जो मेन जो वर्कर है वहां पर, उसके जैसा नहीं है वो. आयरन मास्टर जो है, मालिक जो मिल का है, he is very kind hearted. So he went to the peddler, उस गरीब आदमी के पास जाता है, and he just looked at him. When he looked at him, he says, Niels Olf, it's you. So iron master उसको नाम लेके बोलता है, Niels Olf, it's you. What happened to you? Why are you in miserable condition? So he just addresses the peddler by the name Niels Olf. So Iron Master को लगा कि the person is my known one, my friend, one of my friend, old friend from the army, because earlier he was in army, and he thought this person is one of my old army friend. उसको लगा कि मेरा दोस्त होगा, कि शक्ल दाढ़ी वाड़ी बड़ी हुई है, अजीब सा चेहरा बना हुआ उसका, भूख है, दुबला पतला है, गंदा है, बाल बड़े बड़े हैं. That's why he could not recognize him. So उसने उसको बोला, Nilsov, it's you. Actually, the rat trap peddler is not Nilsov. Rat trap peddler is not Nilsov. But he thought, if the owner of the mill, he is calling me by the name of Nilsov, it's okay for me. और इतने बड़ी मिल का मालिक मुझे नीलजोल्फ बोल रहा है, इट मीन्स ही इज थिंकिंग दैट आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग लाइक नीलजोल्फ, मैं कोई नीलजोल्फ जैसा लग रहा हूँ. सो ही कैन गिव मी सम मनी इन बैगिंग, मुझे भीख में कुछ पैसा मिल सकता है. ही कैन गिव मी सम मनी. सो उसने भी क्या बोला, यस यस यस, द फेट, बैड लक. The tramp hoping to extract some cash from the Iron Master. Now the tramp thought, the peddler thought, I will get some money from the Iron Master because he is thinking that I am his old friend. मैं उसका पुराना दोस्त हूँ, तो he will give me money. मुझे पैसा दे देगा शायद. तो उसने भी दिखावा किया कि I am Nilsov, but actually he is not Nilsov. दिखावा करता है. Yes, my luck was very bad. Life was not honest to me like you. तो आयरन मास्टर की बात सुन के उसने डिसाइड कर लिया कि भाई मुझे नीलजोल्फ बन के उससे मिलना है, सो दैट, अब रोशनी तो है नहीं वहां पर. वाई ही मिस्टूक हिम एज नीलजोल्फ? आयरन मास्टर ने पैडलर को मिस्टूक क्यों किया? उसका रीजन था, लाइट वॉज नॉट प्रॉपर देयर. And nearby the forge, only the light coming out of the forge, that light. So it was dim light, and the condition of the peddler is not okay. Condition भी उसकी खराब थी, दाढ़ी वाड़ी बड़ी हुई थी, बाल बड़े हुए थे, तो he could not recognize him. He thought he is my old friend. Things though got somewhat unpleasant for the tramp, as the Iron Master insisted on taking him home, which the tramp flatly refused. The peddler thought the Iron Master will give him some money. कुछ पैसा मिलेगा मेरी हालत को देख के. He will take pity on me. He will give me some money. But the peddler, he was surprised. Iron Master बोलता है, नहीं पैसे वैसे, ओ चल मेरे साथ घर चल. Just come with me to my home. My family member, they will be very happy. अब ट्रैम्प अलर्ट हो गया. अलर्ट क्यों हो गया? उसका रीजन है, he has money 30 crore, and 30 crore for this kind of person is enough. ऐसे बंदे के लिए 30 crore काफी बड़ी अमाउंट है. तो उसको लगा कि अगर 30 crore इसके पास है तो ये कपड़े इतने फटे क्यों पहना हुआ इसने, इसकी हालत इतनी खराब क्यों? सो ही में डाउट, ही में सस्पेक्ट, उसको शायद डाउट हो सकते हैं. तो उसने क्या किया, नो, आई विल नॉट गो टू योर हाउस, मैं आपके घर नहीं जाऊंगा. आई मस्ट गेव इन देम. आई मस्ट, ठीक है, इफ यू वांट टू स्टे हियर यू कैन स्टे, इट्स ओके. और ब्लैक स्मिथ को वो ऑर्डर देके चला गया कि भाई ही इज माई फ्रेंड एंड टेक केयर ऑफ हिम, उसका ध्यान रखना. अब आयरन मास्टर वहां से चला जाता है, एंड बट व्हेन ही वेंट बैक होम, हिज डॉटर एडला, शी वाज अराउंड 20 or 21 or 22, so she just asked him, and he just told her about her old friend. अपना पुराना दोस्त के बारे में बोलता है कि माई फ्रेंड लक वॉज वेरी बैड टू हिम, दैट्स व्हाई ही नाउ ही इज इन जस्ट लाइक इन द शेप ऑफ ट्रैम्प. अब वो बेचारा भिखारी बन गया है. ही वॉज वर्किंग विद मी इन द आर्मी, बट बैड लक, बिकॉज ऑफ द बैड लक नाउ ही इज ए ट्रैम्प, होमलेस वांडरर. तो एडला बोलती है, आपने उसको बोला क्यों नहीं, इन्वाइट क्यों नहीं किया घर में लाने के लिए? So I invited him. I must say कि मैंने बुलाया था उसको, but he insisted on staying there. I want to stay in the forge only. So मैंने क्या किया, ठीक है भाई चला जाए. So now Adla says, Father, I want to just make that person come to our house. मैं जाऊंगी उसको. I will request him. I will try to let him in our house. So with his father's permission, the daughter of iron master Adla, she went to the iron mill. Iron mill में जाती है वो, and she took a fur coat with him, with her. अपने साथ एक वो fur coat. You can see in the picture. This is fur coat, and this person is valet, servant. So with a servant, with a fur coat, she went to the iron mill, and she straight went to the peddler. Peddler के बिल्कुल सामने चली जाती है. At that time, the peddler was sleeping nearby the forge, and he was just forge में से तो रोशनी आ रहा है ना. Because of that, he could not sleep, and that's why he put his hat on his face. अपने चेहरे पे उसने हैट रखा हुआ था. तो जैसे ही वो एडला जाती है वहां पे उसके, एडला goes to the person and she just starts speaking to him. At that moment he was shocked. वो जैसे ही उसने अपनी टोपी हटाई, एडला ने उसकी टोपी वहां से उसके चेहरे से हटाती है, and the person was sleeping with one eye open. Actually, the peddler was so horrified that he used to sleep very, very, you can say, consciously. बड़ा होश में सोता था वो. So the iron master daughter Adla, she went to him and she started talking to him. Sir, you are my father's friend, and my father wants you to come to my house. But peddler is very alert. Peddler alert है कि उसको पैसा पड़ा है, चोरी का पैसा पड़ा होगा. But Adla, because she is a girl, and the girls, the women, they have a persuading power, special power of persuading. किसी को persuade करना हो, मनाना हो, so these kind of things, you can say these kind of skills, female they have. महिलाओं में ये चीजें होती है. So she just convinced him, उसको convince कर लिया कि sir, come to our house and don't worry about anything. You are free and you will leave our house free. No one will arrest you. कोई आपको कुछ नहीं कहेगा. They will pay respect to you. You are my father's friend. So please come to our house. हमारे घर पे चलिए. And finally, Adla is succeeded. She takes him to the house of Iron Master. Means अपने father घर पे ले आती है वो. Now Adla's friendly manner caused the tramp to change his mind. He went with her. उसने वो फर कोट भी ले लिया, फटाफट फर कोट पहना, and then he went with her to the house of Iron Master. अब Iron Master के घर पे वो जा रहे हैं. He was sitting in the car, and at that time he was thinking about 30 crore. Why I stole that money? If I did not have that money, I could go without any fear to the house. बिना किसी डर के जा सकता था. But now he is fearing. अब वो डर लग रहा है उसको. Because in the house of Iron Master there will be proper light. In proper light he could be identified. उसको पहचाना जा सकता है. He can be noticed that he is not Neil Zolf. मैं नील ज़ोल्फ का बनने का बहाना कर रहा हूँ. I am not Neil Zolf. At the house, because it was night, at the house the tramp was given a haircut in the morning. He was shaved, he took bath, and he was given a fresh pressed clothes, you can say suit of coat and pant of the Iron Master. Now he was well groomed, just like a groom. दूल्हे की तरह बिल्कुल सज धज गया, बाल वाल कट गए, दाढ़ी वाड़ी बन गया, गंदगी सारा शरीर का साफ हो गया. And he was not wearing rags. Now he was wearing the coat pant given by the Iron Master. So he was looking very smart. So he enters the dining room. और वो सुबह सुबह नहा धो के सारे नौकर उसको तैयार कर देते हैं, and he enters the drawing room. At that moment, the Iron Master looked at the clean tramp, and now he realized his mistake. जिस बंदे को मैं नील ज़ोल्फ मान रहा था, he is not नील ज़ोल्फ, he is someone else. So he became angry. You can see this Iron Master became angry. Who are you? And why you are in my house? So Iron Master जब गुस्से में था, पैडलर ने देखा कि the person Iron Master is very angry, so he did not try to do anything. उसने ज्यादा कुछ नहीं किया. वो बोलता है कि सर, it's not my fault. I insisted on staying in the forge only. मैंने क्या बोला था? सर, I will stay here, I will sleep here, but you insisted. आपने insist किया, come to my house, come to my house. Then you sent your daughter. आपने अपनी लड़की को भेजा, and she persuaded me to come to your house. So it's not my fault. मेरी गलती नहीं है. आपने मुझे बुलाया, and that's why I came. Maybe I am not that Neil Zorf. हो सकता है मैं आपका वो वाला नील ज़ोर्फ ना हूं, आपका दोस्त ना हूं. But the Iron Master, he was very, very angry. He wanted to call the sheriff. Sheriff, you know, just like inspector, SHO. In the same way, in that country, the law system, the management of maybe rules and regulation, that is done by sheriff. So he was going to call sheriff. जब शेरिफ को बुलाने का नौबत आया तो पैडलर ही बिकेम, यू कैन से, अलर्ट. और क्या बोलता, अपनी पुरानी फिलोसफी, द फिलोसफी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एज ए रेड ट्रैप. ही सेज, सर, मिस्टर आयरन मास्टर, look, this world is just like a big rat trap, and we are just like rats. Today I am caught because of that attraction. I thought I will be very in a cozy atmosphere. आपके घर में मैं आराम से रहूंगा. So you invited me, and I am caught now. One day will come when you will be caught. आप भी पकड़े जाओगे किसी न किसी चीज में. So आयरन मास्टर उसकी बात सुन के बड़ा खुश होता है. ठीक है भाई, कोई बात नहीं. So finally refrained from it after the tramp convinced him that the world is a rat trap, and the Iron Master himself might one day get ensnared in the trap. He will be caught in the trap. तो वो बोला ठीक है, शेरिफ नहीं आएगा. But today is Christmas Day. We invited you as a guest, but you are not my friend, and that's why I order you to leave my house. और ये तूने कपड़े पहन रखे हैं, you can take it, but leave my house at once. मेरे घर में से अभी चला जा. आयरन मास्टर उसको भगाने की कोशिश करता है. The Iron Master, though amused, asked the tramp to leave at once. At that moment, Edla convinced her father to let the poor tramp spend Christmas with them. She says, I think he ought to stay with us today, Daddy, because he did not came of his own. वो घर पे खुद नहीं आया. We invited him. You thought he is your old friend. You sent me to bring that person to my house, and that's why हमने उसको invite किया ना. We have invited you. That's why he has all the rights to stay here, to enjoy Christmas Day. कि आज एक दिन है. He is very poor person. Every time he is running for one day meal only. एक दिन का भोजन के लिए भटकता रहता है. He is very poor. He is very in pathetic condition. So at least we can give him one day. एक दिन तो दे ही सकते हैं उसको. So according to me, he must stay with us. आयरन मास्टर बोलता है, बेटी, remember, this person is not trustworthy. When I called him Neil Zorf, he says, yes, I am Neil Zorf. But now it is clear that he is not Neil Zorf. ये trustworthy बंदा नहीं है. देख लो कभी प्रॉब्लम है. But एडला ने बोला, नहीं पापा, everything is okay. I want him to stay at home. मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो घर पे रुके and celebrate the Christmas Day with us. So Adla, without any selfish end, she just thought to help him. The tramp spent Christmas Eve doing little else other than eating and sleeping. ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पे ब्रेकफास्ट किया एंड देन ही स्लेप्ट. इन द आफ्टरनून अगेन ही वाज वोकन अप, फिर से उठाया, भाई साहब खड़े हो जाओ, टेक योर शेयर. दोपहर में फिर खाना खाया, अगेन ही स्लेप्ट. इन द इवनिंग ही वाज अगेन वोकन अप, फिर से उसको उठाएगा, भाई साहब खड़े हो जाओ, योर इवनिंग स्नैक्स इज रेडी. अगेन आफ्टर हैविंग दैट इवनिंग स्नैक्स ही अगेन डिसअपीयर्ड, ही अगेन स्लेप्ट, फिर से सो गया. So now father and daughter, they are talking about him. The person is, you can say, very sleepy. It seems that he has never slept. शायद कभी जिंदगी में सोया नहीं हो, पूरे दिन से सो रहा है, खा रहा है और सो रहा है, खा रहा है और सो रहा है. So he did not trouble anyone. किसी को परेशान नहीं करता है वो. He just do one thing, sleep. So रात को भी खाना खाया उन लोगों ने, and खाना खाने के बाद the peddler went to every person, went to Iron Master, went to the Dr. Edla, सभी के पास जाता है, thank you very much for the gift, for this food and shelter. सबको thank you करके सो जाते हैं. Next morning, अब Iron Master ने देखा, एडला ने देखा कि the tramp is at this moment he is sleeping. अभी भी सो रहा है, पूरा दिन सोया था, and now he is sleeping also. तो उनको लगा कि ठीक है, चलो, after Christmas the Christian, they used to perform a kind of activity at the church. So father and daughter, they went to the church. Church में जाते हैं वो लोग, अपने Christmas का कोई सर्विस होता है उनको करने के लिए पूरा. At that moment in the church, someone told the Iron Master, sir, you know one thing, a person who sells red trap of wires, he stole 30 kroner of a poor person who worked in your mill. आपके मिल में काम करता था बंदा, पुअर क्रॉफ्टर, who was living just nearby the side of the road, and someone stole his 30 kroner, उसके पैसे चुरा लिए. और उसने उसको डाउट किस पे है? द ट्रैम्प, वो बंदा आयरन के जो बेचता है, रेड ट्रैप्स. सो क्रोनोर इज द स्वीडिश करेंसी. 1 kroner is equal to 7.85 Indian rupees. तो 30 kroner चुराए उसने. Now Edla and father, they are coming back to the house, and father is saying something. Edla is just letting her head down. उसका सिर नीचे झुका हुआ है. उसके फादर ने बोला था कि the person is not trustworthy, and he thought अब घर में क्या क्या बचा होगा, पता नहीं क्या क्या चुराया होगा उस बंदे ने. So fearing the worst, father and daughter returned home, and the servant informed them that the person has gone, वो जा चुका है, and he has gone as he came. जैसे वो आया था, in the same way he has gone, उसी तरह से गया है. Even he did not took the clothes given by the master. कपड़े भी नहीं लिए उसने. He was wearing his rags. He did not took anything. Instead, he just left one thing for Edla. एक rat trap छोड़ के गया एडला के लिए. He had left a rat trap, and in that rat trap there was a letter for the lady Edla. क्या लिखा हुआ लेटर के अंदर? In the rat trap there were 3 30 kroner notes. In the note, in the letter, the tramp expressed his desire to reciprocate. Reciprocate means, you can see in the repay. He wanted to repay Adla's kindness. Adla was very kind to him. She behaved very properly. She behaved him just like a captain. She behaved just like his father, her father's friend. So he wanted to repay. So he asked to return the money to the poor crofter. उस लेटर में लिखा कि मैडम, ये जो पैसा है, I have stolen this money from that poor crofter who was living near the roadside. So the person is putting a bait for us. हम जैसे लोगों के लिए एक बेट के जैसा लालच, एक अट्रैक्शन छोड़ देता है वो. तो उसको बोलो कि अपना पैसा संभाल के रखा करे, and never try to show off that money to the poor people like me. तो rat trap में लिखता है, you can see in the letter, the rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in the world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain. and because in that way he got power to clear himself. Returned with friendship and high regard, Captain von Stahel. Von Stahel is the real name of that person. एंड एडला ने उसको ट्रीटमेंट दिया एज ए कैप्टन क्योंकि उसके फादर के साथ आर्मी में काम किया था. सो शी ट्रीटेड हिम जस्ट लाइक ए कैप्टन. तो वो कहता है कि आई वांट टू बी जस्ट लाइक ए कैप्टन नाउ. आई जस्ट वांट टू लीव एवरी काइंड ऑफ रॉन्ग वर्क्स, रॉन्ग डीड्स आई यूज्ड टू डू. जो मैं गलत काम करता था, चोरी चकारी करता था, नाउ आई वांट टू लीव एवरीथिंग. अब मुझे वो सब चीजें छोड़ना है. So I want to repay your honesty. I want to repay your kindness. I want to repay your love. I want to repay your understanding. तो इसलिए वो पैसा भी लौटा देता है, एक गिफ्ट भी छोड़ के जाता है उसके लिए, और साथ में उसको. He also said that the red trap was a Christmas present for her, and because she treated him as a real captain, and he was able to escape the world's red trap, and that's why. अब आपने देखा, the person is reformed now. क्रॉफ्टर ने उसको शेल्टर दिया, भोजन दिया, but remember one thing, आजकल क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? People are helping the poor people, but they are getting pictures with that thing. They take selfie with the poor people. I am giving this ration to the poor people. I am helping the poor. Why you are doing this? If you are taking selfie, if you are just publishing that thing into newspaper, it's waste. आपने जो किया वो वेस्ट हो गया. आप तो दिखावा कर रहे हो. You are showing that thing. क्रॉफ्टन ने भी सेम वही किया. He helped him. He gave him shelter because he was bored. वो ऊब गया था. And that's why he gave him shelter. He wants to talk to someone. किसी से बात करना था उसको. घर में कोई था नहीं उसके. And that's why he gave him shelter. Second thing is, he wanted to show the money he earns. जो रोज पैसा कमाता है, that money he wants to show. किसी को दिखाना था उसको. But whom to show? And that's why he needs a right person for that thing. So he found the tramp is okay. Tramp सही है. इसके सामने मैं बोस्ट ऑफ कर सकता हूँ, शेखी मार सकता हूँ. So क्रॉफ्टर का बिहेवियर गरीब के लिए था, but that is because of his own selfish ends, खुद के स्वार्थ की वजह से. That's why he could not change the person. बंदा नहीं बदला, बल्कि चोरी करके चला गया. अब मैं रेड ट्रैप के बाद, पेडलर क्रॉफ्टर के बाद बात करूं आयरन मास्टर की. आपने देखा कि आयरन मास्टर ने उसको इनवाइट किया घर के लिए, ठीक है ना. उसको बार बार इंसिस्ट किया, मेरे घर पे चलो, मेरे घर पे चलो. आपको लगेगा कि आयरन मास्टर तो बड़ा काइंड हार्टेड है. नो, है काइंड हार्टेड वो बंदा. आयरन मास्टर काइंड हार्टेड है. उसने क्यों हेल्प किया रेड ट्रैप पेडलर का? क्यों घर पे बुलाया? बिकॉज ही थॉट द पर्सन इज माई फ्रेंड, ओल्ड फ्रेंड, मेरा पहचान वाला है, मेरा दोस्त है, मेरा नोन वन है, पुराने वाला. दैट्स व्हाई ही ऑफर्ड हिम टू कम टू हिज हाउस. और जैसे वो सुबह सुबह जब डैडी वाडी बना लिया उसका, तो देखा कि ये पर्सन तो मेरा दोस्त नहीं है, तो कोई और ही निकला. रात को तो मुझे गलत फहमी हो गया था. आई मिस्टूक हिम दैट ही इज माय ओल्ड फ्रेंड, बट नाउ इट इज क्लियर ही इज नॉट माय फ्रेंड. तो कह रहा है कि घर निकलो यहाँ से, लीव माय हाउस एट वंस. सो ही इज हेल्पफुल, बट ओनली फॉर द नॉन वन. काइंड हार्टेड होगा वो Iron Master, but he is kind-hearted only to the known person, not unknown. Known के लिए वो helpful है, unknown के लिए नहीं. What about Adla? Adla ने क्या किया? She is the daughter of Iron Master. She went to the mill. मिल में क्यों जाती है? Iron Master ने बताया कि मेरा एक दोस्त है पुराना, वो वहाँ मिल में बैठा हुआ है, बड़ी खराब हालत है उसकी. And I invited him to my house, but he is not coming to my house. घर पे नहीं आ रहा है. मे बी ही इज हेजिटेटिंग. वो शायद शर्मा रहा होगा, हेजिटेट कर रहा होगा कि हम तो अमीर लोग हैं एंड ही इज वेरी पुअर. तो एडला बोलती नहीं पापा मैं जाती हूँ, आई विल ब्रिंग हिम, मैं लेके आती हूँ. सो शी वेंट टू द मिल टू ब्रिंग हिज फादर्स फ्रेंड. अपने फादर के फ्रेंड को लेने गई थी और लेके भी आई. बट व्हेन In the morning, the iron master recognized the person is not his friend. ये दोस्त तो मेरा दोस्त नहीं, ये तो कोई और ही बंदा है. तब उसने क्या किया, फादर को क्या बोला कि नहीं, हमने इसको इनवाइट किया था. You invited him thinking that he is your friend, but no, now he is not your friend. अब वो आपका दोस्त नहीं है, so you are discarding him. आप उसको भगा रहे हो. No, this is wrong. We have invited him and that's why he must stay here. अब उसके फादर का विरोध करती है, अपने फादर का, कि नहीं वो फादर यही रुकेगा, ये हमने बुलाया है ना, एक दिन के लिए बुलाया है ना, so we will treat him as a guest. She knows that, वो जानती है, the person is not his father's friend, the person is not known friend, the person is not known to the family. Even then she give him shelter, उसको shelter भी देती है, खाना भी देती है, and she treats him just like a captain. He is not a captain, फिर भी captain की तरह treat करती है उसको. So this kindness, this pity is selfless. ये वाली जो दया है ना, ये वाले जो लव अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, दैट इज रियल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. कि मेरे फादर का दोस्त है या नहीं है, ही इज ए पुअर पर्सन एंड आई हैव टू हेल्प द पुअर पर्सन. मुझे मदद करनी है, जान पहचान का है नहीं है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आई वांट टू हेल्प हिम एंड दिस इज द मेन थिंग. चैप्टर में यही बोला जा रहा है. इफ यू वांट टू हेल्प एनी पर्सन, पुअर पर्सन, डोंट थिंक अबाउट सेल्फी. मत सोचिए कि सेल्फी लेंगे, लोगों को दिखाऊंगा कि देखो मैंने इतना राशन दान कर दिया. इफ यू आर डूइंग एनी डोनेशन, कोई दान पुण्य कर रहे हो, बताइए मत किसी को भी मैंने इतना पैसा दान में दिया है, 5 लाख रुपए दान दे दिए. किस में दे दिए जी? कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, मंदिरों में अपने नाम का पत्थर लगवा लेते हैं, कमरा बनवा देते हैं, नाम लिखवा देंगे फलाने फलाने की याद में, इन द रिमेम्बरेंस ऑफ दैट पर्सन, this person of that area, he contributed this amount. This is wrong. If you want to help the poor person, do it without any name. बिना किसी नाम के, बिना किसी selfish end के, just help. आप मदद कीजिए ना. That help can change a criminal minded person. अब आप किसी गरीब के साथ फोटो खिंचवा रहे हैं और उसको राशन दे रहे हैं, अब वो फोटो अखबार में छपेगी, पूरे अखबार में हो जाएगा, पूरे एरिया में हो जाएगा कि द पर्सन इज वेरी पुअर. कितना बुरा लगेगा उसको कि कल साहब आए थे, फोटो खींच के ले गए, अखबार में डाल दिया मेरा. दिस इज रॉन्ग. इफ यू वांट टू हेल्प द पुअर पर्सन, डू इट विदाउट एनी नेम एंड दिस हेल्प कैन चेंज इवन क्रिमिनल. ये वाली जो सोच है, जो बिना किसी फेम की, नेम की, वो जो सोच है किसी भी क्रिमिनल माइंडेड को चेंज कर सकती है. एग्रीड? हाँ जी, एग्री करते हैं इसके ऊपर?
यस सर.